Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add employees to payroll in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done in under 2 minutes. So let's get into it. Now the first step is to open the payroll section. So in QuickBooks, go to payroll from the left menu and then select employees. Click add an employee to start the setup. Next step is to enter the employee's personal details. So go ahead and fill in the full name, address, email, and of course social security number. Ensure accuracy to avoid payroll and tax issues. Next, set pay schedules and rates. Now you're going to choose the pay schedule, could be weekly, bi-weekly, etc., and enter the hourly rate or annual salary. Next is to configure tax information. So input details from the employee's W-4 forms, including federal and state withholding preferences. Next is to set up payment method. And this is the final step. So select direct deposits or paper check. For direct deposits, enter employee's bank account information. Now, a pro tip is to always keep employee records updated to ensure correct pay and tax filings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.